Today we're at a DVO installation in Cheyenne, Wyoming, Burnett Enterprises, which has approximately 6,000 head of dairy cattle on site. So they need so much water per square foot of processing area. That water then goes down the drain and is captured, and then it needs to be cleaned up prior to discharge. And that's where we come in.
DVO is an environmental engineering company. We've been around since 1989. Just in the dairy industry only, we process the manure of 450,000 milking cattle every day. These DAFs provide an added benefit. They will remove the volatile solids that would otherwise go into a lagoon, get stored, processed, and emit CO2, break them down, reduce their pollution potential, and in so doing, we also create renewable energy. Today, we mostly scrub the biogas and put it into pipelines, but if we were to look at the electrical energy equivalent, it would provide electrical power for 1,000 homes. Even the bedding fiber will go back under the cows and provide a comfortable place for them to lay down and rest while they're producing milk. Initially, we selected VanAire because they had a product that was time-proven, and also VanAire allowed us to customize whatever we needed to suit a particular application that we'd have.
What's unique about VanAire is the way we form the bubbles. One of the key pieces of the aeration is our breakout valve. And that breakout valve is constructed by us. There's a diaphragm in there. Basically, it's a back pressure valve. It holds water back to pick up more air and lets a little bit out all the time. And you're adjusting that in and out to get more flow, less flow, higher pressure, lower pressure. You have one place to adjust. That's it. Adjust it one time and you leave it alone, and it works and keeps working and working. The time it takes per day is probably less than 1 minute that they look at these three gauges. That separates us from everybody else.
Well, in the case of a dairy installation, the DAF will remove nearly 100% of the suspended solids from the liquid. What we did is we created a system that is cheaper to produce, uses less energy, and yet for every ton of waste that goes into it, we can produce more gas, pretty much move the ball forward on every front there.